Is it time to buy or sell Castellum stock? In this video, we will explore Castellum in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024, and now we aim to provide an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Experience the capabilities of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one of 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. As of December 3rd, 2024, our system has identified Castellum as a buy candidate, awarding it a score of 4.4. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 139.34% since we initially classified Castellum as a buy candidate 16 days ago. This results in an average return of 8.71% each day since its designation as a buy candidate. The stock rests at the upper section of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term. This situation typically presents an excellent selling opportunity for short-term traders as a movement back towards the lower part of the trend is anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at 0.606 will initially signal a stronger rate of increase. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 55.32% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 36.26% to positive 69.54%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it forecasts a negative change of 16.10% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between negative 86% and negative 9.60%. This implies a price range of 0.0778 to 0.502 after a year. Our latest daily update for Castellum features the headline, Volatile Ride for Castellum Inc. stock price on Tuesday, moving between 482 thousandths and 589 thousandths. On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 24th of December, 2024, the stock price of Castellum Inc. gained nearly 30%, rising from 429 thousandths to 556 thousandths. During that day, the stock fluctuated over 22%, reaching a low of 482 thousandths and a high of 589 thousandths. The price has increased in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by over 76% over the past 2 weeks. However, volume decreased by 2 million shares on the last day, with a total of 10 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $5,400,000. It is important to consider that declining volume alongside rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was 600 thousandths, while the lowest was 122 thousandths. Currently, the price stands at 7.34%, or 4,040 thousandths, below the 52-week high, and 71.94%, or $1.42, below the all-time high recorded on the 15th of December, 2022, when the price peaked at $1.98. Castellum Inc. has recently made headlines with its announcement of a registered direct offering priced at $3.6 million, involving nearly 9,500,000 shares. This strategic move, taking place on December 23rd, is positioned to bolster the company's capital, potentially enabling further investments in its cybersecurity initiatives and expansion efforts. The immediate impact on CTM's stock price could depend on investor sentiment regarding dilution of shares, but it could lead to long-term benefits if the raised capital is effectively utilized. In parallel, Castellum secured an unrestricted OASIS Plus IDIQ contract, enhancing its position in the federal marketplace. This contract not only solidifies its reputation, but also opens doors for future revenue opportunities, potentially driving longer-term stock appreciation as the company demonstrates capability and reliability to government clients. Moreover, in November, Castellum reported a significant increase in revenue, marking an upward trend in its financial performance. This, along with the promotion of Drew Merriman to Chief Operating Officer, indicates a steady internal leadership strategy aimed at sustaining growth. For investors, These indicators can bolster confidence, suggesting a positive trajectory for CTM's stock in both the short and long term. As CTM continues to execute its growth strategies and capitalizes on new contracts while maintaining improved financial health, it is likely to attract further interest from investors, enhancing its stock price potential. Analysts have assigned Castellum stock a general strong sell rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a buy and the price-to-book ratio as a buy as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have given this stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Castellum. Castellum Inc. stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal arises from the relationship between these averages, with the short-term average exceeding the long-term average. On downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at 412 cents and 252 cents. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Interestingly, volume decreased during the last trading day, despite an increase in prices. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the stock closely. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, December 20th, 2024, and the stock has since declined by 7.34%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots show a sell signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger suggests a buy signal from 37 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average shows a buy signal from 21 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 18 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Castellum. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at 429 cents. With no support from accumulated volume below today's level, the risk is increased, as a drop below the support at this level may lead to a significant drop in the stock price. This stock may experience considerable movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The very large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band classifies this stock as very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by 108 cents between its highest and lowest points, which represents a change of 22.33%. For the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 26.74%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Castellum, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 19th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Castellum. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Castellum is at 600 cents. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Castellum encounters its first support level at 429 cents. If this support level holds, it may serve as a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Castellum from multiple analyst sources is strong sell. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On 2024-904, Wright J.O. conducted an insider buy of 27 and 2,300 shares of common stock. On 2024-901, Merriman Andrew conducted an insider buy of 0 shares of common stock. On 2024-805, Merriman Andrew conducted an insider buy of 15,000 shares of stock options. On 2024-0831s, Merriman Andrew conducted an insider buy of 1,000 shares of stock options. On 2024-903, Wright J.O. conducted an insider buy of 4,400 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 314.822. Overall, insiders purchased 25,51,826 shares and sold 3,075,000 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at 0.527, representing a decrease of 5.18%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which brings a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal triggered by a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is Castellum stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable likelihood that Castellum Incorporated stock will perform well in the near term. Based on our latest assessment, we have upgraded our recommendation for this stock from a hold or accumulate to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 26th of December, we anticipate that Castellum will open lower, with a decrease of approximately 1.35 cents, starting at around 54.2 cents. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.